Welcome. This warm-up is designed to activate your body, awakening your breath, your muscles and your inner energy. Whether you want to prepare for a workout, yoga session, run or simply want to feel alive, this flow warms the body from inside out and calms the mind through gentle, breath-led movements. So let's begin. रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी रखेंगे, कंधे ढीले छोड़ देंगे। एक लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और जैसे ही यू टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन, पेट को फुला दें। सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते पेट को पीछे ले जाएंगे रीढ़ की हड्डी के पास। ब्रीद इन एंड एक्सपैंड, ब्रीद आउट एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। सांस भरते भरते पेट को पूरी तरह से फुला देना है, जैसे कि लाफिंग बुद्धा हो। Completely expand your stomach as you take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly push your navel back to the spine. We will continue for few times. Breathe in and expand. Breathe out and contract. Push back. Now as you breathe in, expand your stomach, expand your chest, expand your entire thoracic region. And as you breathe out, contract your collarbone, your heart region, your rib cage, your diaphragm, your upper abdomen and lower abdomen. सांस लेते लेते पूरी तरह से नाभि को फुला देना है, छाती को फुला देना है, पूरी तरीके से ऊपरी भाग को फुला देना है और सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते धीरे धीरे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करते जाना है ऊपर से नीचे। कंटिन्यू फॉर फ्यू टाइम्स। With a smile. And as you complete a round, you may slowly relax. We will do Kapalbhati pranayam. For Kapalbhati, the breathing is normal and breathing out is forceful. सांस हम लोग अंदर लेते हुए पैसिवली लेंगे और सांस छोड़ते हुए फोर्स के साथ. So take a breath in and breathe out and push your tummy in and breathe out forcefully. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. As you breathe out, push your tummy in, and as you breathe in passively. So let us all do it together. Let's start. Normal breath in and out. For Kapalbhati, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. Continue. and relax. We'll be doing 10 counts and 3 times. Let's get ready for the second round of Kapalbhati. Normal breath in and out. Let's begin. In, out, in, out, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10 and relax. विश्राम करेंगे. Let's get ready now for the final round of Kapalbhati. And relax. विश्राम करेंगे. खड़े हो जाएंगे. Let's stand hip width apart. कमर के जितना दोनों पैरों में फासला होना चाहिए. Let's come in Namaste position. Keep your spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Breathing in, hands go up. Push your pelvic forward, hands go back. Stay there, keep breathing. Hasta Uttanasana. Breathing out, slowly come down and touch your feet, Hasta Padasana. The right leg goes back, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. The left knee and ankle is in one straight line and look up. Stay there, keep breathing. घुटना और नली एक ही रेशा में है, ऊपर देख सकते हैं. कीप स्माइलिंग. Now slowly take the other leg back and come in Chaturanga Dandasana, plank pose. Stay there. Shoulders and palms are in one straight line. Your whole body is in one straight line. Relax your knees. Go back. Let's come in Ashtanga Namaskar. Chin, chest, knees and feet are touching the mat. Hip is raised up. Stay there. Keep breathing. Slowly come up for Bhujangasana. Stay there. Shoulders away from the ears. कंधों को ढीला ही रखेंगे. Don't raise your shoulders up. Elbows are close, not away. Keep smiling. We will do Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inverted V. Tuck your toes in. Push your chest. And slowly rest your heel down. Stay there. Keep breathing. पहले पंजियां और फिर पूरा पैर नीचे रखेंगे अधोमुख श्वानासन के लिए. और जितना हो सके छाती को पुश करेंगे जांघा के पास. Let the right leg forward, दाहिना पैर आगे. Left leg is rested back. Look up. Stay there. Keep smiling. Both the feet together. Hands go up. And relax. We'll do it on the left side and we will follow the breath as we do it. Namaste. Breathe in.
Breathe out. Left leg goes behind. Breathe in. Stay there. Plank. Breathe in and out. Relax. Ashtanga Namaskar. Breathe out. Slowly breathe in. Bhujangasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe out. Breathe in. Left leg comes forward. Breathe out, both the feet together. Breathe in, hands go up. And breathe out, relax. We will do the Surya Namaskar now with variation. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Let's come in the position. Breathe in, hands go up, Hasta Uttanasana. Breathing out, Hasta Padasana. We will do the ragdoll here. Hold the elbows and move. Swing. Right, center, left, center. Stay there, keep moving. Keep breathing, long deep breaths. Try to touch your hands to the feet and relax. You can push your body forward. Right leg goes back. Now slowly lift the left hand up. Stay there, keep breathing. And now move the left hand back and look up. Open up your chest. You'll feel a nice twist on both the sides of your hip. Breathing in, hands go up. And breathing out, relax. Slowly take the left leg back for plank. Stay there, keep breathing. Relax, go back. We can rest in Shishupasana. Come forward for Ashtanga Namaskar. Breathing in Bhujangasana. We can look back towards the right ankle. Center. लेफ्ट एंकल. दोनों नलियों को देख सकते हैं, दाहिने और बाईं तरफ. सेंटर. कम ऑन योर फोर्स. लेट्स गेट रेडी फॉर अधो मुख श्वानासन, डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. घुटनों को ऊपर उठाएंगे, पुश करेंगे पर्जियों को और स्लोली रेस्ट योर होल लेग डाउन. पुश योर बॉडी. We can do a variation here of dolphin. Push your forearm down and push your body forward towards the chest. Stay there, keep breathing. Slowly come back in downward facing dog. Bring your right leg forward. Left leg forward. Hands go up and relax. We will do variations on the left side now. Namaste,
Breathe in. And breathe out.
Left leg goes back. Lift your right hand up and look towards the sky. And slowly take the right hand behind and open up your chest. Stay there, keep breathing. Hands go up and relax. Both the hands, both the legs are behind. Shoulders and hands in one straight line. You can do a variation, you can touch your shoulders. Relax. Come in Shishupasana. Come forward, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Bhujangasana. Look towards your left ankle, center, right, center. Stay there, keep breathing. You can come down in Sphinx pose, relax. Come back in Bhujangasana, Cobra. Come back on your fours. Let's take the left leg forward. Right leg is behind. Now we will place both the elbows down and we will stretch out our right foot. Stay there, keep breathing. Relax. Come back, we will do it on the right side also. Stretch, stay there as much as is possible. Come back. Let's come back in the position, look up, keep smiling. Feet together. Breathing in, hands go up. And breathing out, relax.
नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम के लिए जो बायां हाथ है वो चिन मुद्रा में होगा. द लेफ्ट हैंड विल बी इन चिन मुद्रा. दिस इज चिन मुद्रा. जेंटली प्लेस इट ऑन योर लेफ्ट नी. बाएं घुटने पे रखेंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा आगे नहीं या पीछे नहीं, जस्ट प्लेस इट ऑन योर नी. एंड द राइट हैंड इज इन नासिग्रा मुद्रा. कीप योर स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. द इंडेक्स फिंगर एंड मिडिल फिंगर इज बिटवीन योर आईब्रोज. Thumb is on the right nostril, little finger and ring finger is on the left nostril. मध्यमा और तर्जनी दोनों भुवों के बीच में. अंगूठा दाहिनी नासिका पे, छोटी उंगली और अनामिका बाईं नासिका पे. एक लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और पूरी तरह से श्वास बाहर. One more normal deep breath in and breathe out from the left nostril. Gently tap the thumb so that you close the right nostril and breathe out left. Now breathe in left and breathe out right. Breathe in right, breathe out left. We will continue with the alternate nostril breathing. बाईं नासिका से सांस छोड़ेंगे, बाईं नासिका से सांस लेते हुए दाहिनी नासिका से सांस छोड़ेंगे, दाहिनी नासिका से सांस लेते हुए बाईं नासिका से सांस छोड़ेंगे. कंटिन्यू. लंबी गहरी सांसें जैसे कि एक खूबसूरत से गुलाब के फूल का सुगंध ले रहे हैं. long, deep, gentle breaths as if you're smelling a beautiful rose. Continue. Breathing out from the left nostril, relax your hand, relax your palms. बाईं नासिका से सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते दोनों हाथों को विश्राम दे देंगे.